Please, if you can hear me, say hi. If you can see my screen, say hi. If you can hear me or see my screen, say hi, please.
Hi.
All right.
Can you hear me?
Hi,
Yes, I
yes.
can hear you.
Yes, we
I
can
can hear
see
you.
you. You can see you and hear you.
Hi, I'm hearing you.
Hi.
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. We'll go straight to the point. And we are going to use the synthetic for the training. Everything is going to be the same thing. We're still going to add it to the forest aspect, but it's a synthetic that we're able to finish on time. You understand? So we're going to use it as example. And what we're about to do today, if you don't understand price action, please leave it. Because this sniper entry, there are 1,000 ways you can use it to trade and use it to make money. You understand? There are so many ways you can use it to make money. So the little one I know, I will show you how I'm going to be using it to make money. Then if you're a pro trader, you can add it, incorporate it to what your setup. So it's not for newbie. But newbies, if you've subscribed already, there are training videos which are here, which can bring you up to speed. Where are they again? Where are these? Where is this sniper group? There's a training video here. There's a training video here. A video on key levels and price action. Look at it here. It should be this one that is going to bring you up to speed. So there are a lot of things you can use sniper entry to do. A lot, depending on how good you are with forex trading. You understand? For the pro, they are going to make good money from it. Why the newbies? You can be watching all these videos to get yourself acquainted with how forex market work. Then before you can be taking advantage of the sniper entry, because we've upgraded the sniper entry. At least this is the highest minimum you can see. This is the highest you can see anywhere. We've upgraded it like it's so crazy now. We've added so many confirmation on it. You understand? So before you have to use it, even if you're doing your own personal analysis, it's still going to help you. You understand? For the pro guys, it's going to be a top notch for them. But you that is a newbie, you don't understand anything. You don't use sniper entry to take trade. You must do little analysis, confirm with a higher time frame before you be able to take advantage of it, because this app is what you program it to do. That is what it's going to deliver for you. If you tell the system to program it, when there is a sniper entry for sell, it will give you sell. If you tell it buy, it will give you buy. It's not doing analysis for you. The only one that does analysis is Smash 100. Why this is a tool is what you program it to do. That is what it will do for you. If you tell it to send you signal when there's a buy, it will send you. If you tell it to send you signal when there's a sell, it will send you. So you need to understand it properly before you go there, and make sure you do your confirmation first before you do that. But today's training, I'm going to show you how my own strategy and my own setup, the way I use it to trade. That is what I want to show you. But you as a pro trader, you can advance. You understand? There's no limitation to it. You can advance. There are so many ways you can use it. So that's what I want to show to you guys now. But for the newbies, if you've subscribed, there's a lot of videos here that is going to bring you up to speed. Free video that is going to help you. Like I swear, it's going to help you. If you study all these videos, it's going to help you become a pro trader. You understand? So that is that for that. You understand? That's that for that. And what else again? So let's go straight to the point. Or even if there's any newbie here that is having any question, anything so far that you want to know before we just dive in, because we've done countless training before. This is just a sniper entry. I just want to we incorporated into the what's it called into the synthetic, but it's already on forex, but we did a little upgrades that is reflecting on the forest aspect. You understand too? So I want to use the synthetic to do all the training so that you'll be able to know what you're doing. We'll remove a whole lot of sniper entry there. Before we used to have 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour, but we just restricted it to only one time frame, which is 30 minutes. No need for all those too many minutes stuff, so that everybody can be in a uniform phase. All right, good evening, everyone. And have more accuracy. Okay, go ahead and ask your question before we go ahead. Any person that have anything to say, just say before we move on. Welcome to today's live. I hope you guys can hear me. If you can hear me very well, please. Who's talking? Who's talking? What's your name? As you can see the screen, please say hi. Just speak up. Who's talking now? You can hear me. Who's speaking? Do you have anything to say or any question, please, so that we can move on? Hear me. Hi. Hi. Okay. All right. I can hear you. All right. Okay. Today training might be very, very, very detailed and it's going to be lengthy because I. Wait, what's happening? Is it me that is talking or what? I don't understand. Hello, can you guys hear me? On your own end, what
Yes, we can hear you.
Who's
Yes,
playing?
we can hear you.
I'm hearing my voice at the background or something. Okay.
A video of yours is playing.
I call the fear. Who call the talk again? I wonder. Guys, you guys should mute it, please. Mute it, please. Let's go straight to the point. If nothing, you guys don't have anything to say. Let's go straight to the point. It is pretty simple. Okay. Once you log in into the app, this is what you're going to see. We already know how to use other functions about the app, but this one is just a sniper entry that we already have with Forex before. Look at it here. We have it here before. You understand? It's not new. Those of you who have the old video, you already know how to use it, but we added little touches to it, and those are the things I want to talk about today, and how you'll be able to use it to trade. You understand? Add it to the setup, the key level, the chart, and everything. You combine everything and use it to take what your trade. And you as a pro trader, you can see what do your own little analysis on your own way. Now, the purpose of sniper entry helps you to get into the market. And as in you get into the market when the price is about to move from a particular level. It might be a key level, it might be a resistance, it might be a support, it might be a new trend direction. It helps you to enter so that you'll be able to save enough pips and make profit on time. As you can see, we added retracement and we added a confirmation, so it's a different thing entirely, and we've activated this notification. So most time you may not need to be looking at it. You just program it. I'll teach you how to do it. You just program it and the system will notify you. If you tell it to sell, it will notify you when the sell will come. If you say it should buy, it will notify you when the buy will come. You understand? That's how it is. But I'm going to be using the synthetic aspect because that's the one we finished. You understand? On time. My team they are still working on the Forex aspect, but before today, everything is going to be live on the Forex. Why the crypto? Maybe probably tomorrow, next tomorrow, so that we can rest. Tomorrow, next tomorrow. But the Forex, we are on our decks. We are working seriously to make sure people can use it this week, even this afternoon, so that people can use it to trade. But why the synthetic is already working, as you can see, we have a lot of menu now. We have the synthetic and the sniper entry. We have the history. So this is where you set and confirm the sniper entry. This is where you check your history of alerts that you set so far. The same principle applies to it. That's what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to be using the synthetic. So I'm going to be clicking this. I'm going to be clicking this and show you how it works. We only have 30 minutes now. We remove the 1 hour, we remove the 15 minutes. They are doing the same thing. So we just pick the best time frame that is going to be suitable for everybody, so that everybody will be in a uniform base. Not somebody will be trading for 15 minutes, another one will be trading for 30 minutes. There'll be a little confusion for some new guys there. So let's just use one time frame. It's a sniper entry. The same way your 15 minutes is still going to take the trade. That's the same way 30 minutes will take the trade. So we just made our evaluation and took the one that is far more accurate, which is 30 minutes. So once you click it now, you're going to see different stuff here. It's pretty the same thing, just the way you know it before. For you to take your sniper entry, you must have taken your, your signal, or you must have taken your, I won't speak this English now. You must have done your analysis by going to a higher time frame. Let's say, for instance, a daily. just the way we do it before. You go to daily or 4 hours. If the 4 hours is on a bullish move or a bearish move, all you need to scale down to the sniper entry and select any pair and wait for it to be on a first phase. It must actually be on a first phase. Once it's on the first phase, numbers of candle has to be 1 or 2. You know, that's the way we do it before. But for now, we've added what we call confirmation. The numbers of candle will not have to be 2 or 1, but it must be what? On a first phase. Now this confirmation here now is showing a retracement. Even if before we will not know if it's actually moving on a retracement. We only know that it's on a bearish move and there's nothing to show that is actually on a retracement or to confirm this signal. You understand? So that's the essence of this. So if the signal is not correct, you're going to see a retracement. So you just have to wait before you see something like this. Let me see if I can say it. Before you see something like this, it's going to say that bullish confirmed or bearish confirmed. You understand? But if you're not seeing anything like this, you're seeing something like it, that means it is what? Retracing. Even if what is in what? A bearish move. It's actually going up a little bit, but it's actually in a bearish move. So before I will continue, so that I will not pile up everything, do you understand how we got to this place and what I just did now? So that I will not load you guys up. Do you understand it? If you don't understand, let me go back again. Please open up, speak up, speak up. You understand? Speak up.
I have some questions.
Yes, yes.
Good
Ask your
day.
question.
My name is Santos.
Okay.
Actually, I'm a novice in this alma mater, but I would like, if possible, maybe after we might have finished this autumn lecture, if there is possible means of us getting the video in a more clipped way, not just through the what is it called, YouTube, where we cannot miss it up to know the first, the second, the third, to avoid us missing it up. Because when we miss it up, the person actually become confused. So that's to enable us to meet up with this particular level, and I will have to go through the former ones and be able to acquire it, have it, a memory before coming down to this very one. So thank you for your time. I really appreciate it.
Okay, fine. You said you are a newbie. Are you a newbie to Bekenet or you are a newbie to Forest? So that I'll know the kind of videos that you want.
Yeah, for my friend just introduced me to this just 2 days ago. You understand?
Introduce you to Forest or the software.
To this software, I've not done
Okay,
software before.
but you have been trading Forest before.
No, really. I
Not
only
really.
do. I
Is
only
it yes
do
or no?
my.
Not
I
really
say
is not
no. I
okay,
say
fine.
yes,
Okay,
no.
fine. All right, fine. What you do, What you do, because even
Yeah.
if you watch all the videos, if you watch all the videos on my YouTube self, watch everything self,
Yeah.
even if I will give you signal self, you will still lose money. Do you get it? Even if Jesus
Yeah.
Christ still give you signal, tell you to buy, you go still lose money. So what you need to do now, look for any place, or you tell that your friend to put you through with the basics, what Forex is all about, the
Okay.
risks involved. You understand the risks involved. It should put you through the basic, proper risk management. Those are the things you need to know first. If you know those ones, you can pick up the software and start making money. But if you don't know all those things, bro, you go lose money, tire.
Okay.
At the end, you say that Forex is a scam. So you need to know those basic. Very, very important. You don't need to know much. The software is here to help you, but you need to know little things, most especially proper risk management, what is lot size, how to manage your account and all those stuff. Then with time, you build up. Is that understood?
Yes, I do. I do. Thank you.
All right. Very, very good. Now let's move on. Any other question before we continue? Any other question before we continue? Any other question before we continue? Okay. No other question. All right, let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Now we've understood the two functions that we've added. We added a button here that is going to be reflecting a confirmation of the trend. If the trend has already changed for the sniper entry so that we can take a trade, or if it's actually showing a retracement, this is where it's going to be displayed. Then these two buttons you see here, this is where we can set our alert. Let's say, for instance, if we go to the higher time frame, that I'm going to give you guys three setup. I'm going to give you three setup that I normally use. I'll give you the key level setup. I'll give you the higher time frame setup, and what else again will I give you? I'll give you the quick move setup that I normally use. You understand? So those are the things I'm going to show you guys today. Then you, as a pro trader, you just need to do more analysis on your own, depending how you want to. I might be selling, you might be buying. All of us might be in the same profile. I might be selling maybe 5 hours ago. You can see enter into the market and see opportunity to buy because you are using a lower time frame. You just have to understand how it works. You understand? So we've showed you now how you'll be able to get a retracement on this, and this is the menu on how you're going to take a buy or a sell signal. Now, before I'll show you how this thing works, how you can combine it with higher time frame. If you want to take a sell or a buy on your using a sniper entry, all you need to do is go to what's it called? Go to your trend direction. I'm going to go to my trend direction, click on this. I'll click on this one here. I'll click on this one. This one has 4 hours and daily. I'm going to click on this to know the trend direction. Probably I might use daily, for instance. I'll go to a trend direction. I might use this one, volatility, what's it called? Volatility 10 index. Is telling me first phase bullish move. So if I want to be buying alongside with this pair, this is the first strategy that you're going to be using. I'll give you another strategy and I'll give you another quick one. Since I'm saying this thing is in a bullish move and is in a first phase, meaning that 6 days ago this pair has been buying, has been up, it has been buying 6 days ago. What do I need to do? How do I take advantage of this? How do I buy alongside with this pair? All I need to do now, go to my sniper entry, which is 30 minutes. I've just spotted it now that this guy is actually buying, is in a bullish move and is in the first phase, meaning that price has been buying for the past 6 days. It just showed it here, 6 candle has passed. All I need to do is go to my sniper entry, click on this sniper entry. I'll click this. The same principle you applied on Forex, on crypto, once we added everything, the way I'm doing it now. I'll click on, where is it again? Sniper entry. I'll click on this. Once I click on this, it's going to display. Then I'll look for that volatility 10 index. I think so. I'll click on it. Let it load. I'll click on it. Like my network is slow. Okay, it has come up. So I'm going to click on volatility 10 index. You can search it like this, volatility 10 index, which is this guy here. I think this is this. Or you can just come here. You see this 3 button here. 3 button. You see this 3 line here. Just tap on it. Click on find in page. Just click it. Find a page. Just type volatility. Volatility 10. It will just highlight it for you. Volatility 10. Okay, this is it here. This is the one I'm looking for, volatility 10 index. So how am I going to set my buy? Because the higher time frame is already telling me that it's a bullish move. It's in its first phase and is in a bullish move. All I need to do is take my trade alongside with it. Hold on, please. So, all right, let's continue. So I've already know that my volatility 10 index is in its on the higher time frame, which is daily, on a bullish move. How do I take my trade here? What are the things do I need to look out for? Number one, I'll need to check for confirmation here. If it's actually has confirmed the bullish move for me, as you can see, currently showing retracement. Normally, I'm supposed to wait for me to see what first phase bullish move. Currently is on a bearish move. Now I'm supposed to see what first phase of a bullish move. and I'm supposed to see a confirmation here, just like it's going to write it here, bullish confirm here, but I'm not seeing it. So what do I need to do? All I need to do now, just click on this. Very simple. Click on this buy here. Click on this buy to set an alert so that immediately it gets a confirmation here, and the numbers of candles in the range of 1 to 6. In the range of 1 to 6, it is going to be scanning if there's a new phase of what a bullish move. If it's 1 and it confirmed it, it will send you notification. If not, it will move to the next hour, 2 hours. It will scan again, check if there is going to be a confirmation. If not, it will do it for like it should do it for like 3 hours, because 2 is this is 1 hour, this is 1 hour, this is 1 hour. So it's going to scan for 3 hours to look for that opportunity for you. So the closest one, that is the one it will use to send you an alert and delete the notification. That is how it works. So how do I take my trade now? I need to program this thing. Just click on this because it's a bullish move and I'm expecting a buy. I was expected to see what? A bullish confirmation here. And we're supposed to see a bullish confirm here. So we're written it like this. And this trend direction or this trend move supposed to be a bullish move. And here I'm supposed to see what? Volatility 10 first 10 index first phase of the trend. That is what I'm supposed to see. But you clicking this now, immediately you click this, the system will help you look for when it has been confirmed, when the numbers of candle is between 1 to 6. So if it spots it when it's 2 or 1, it will send the alert. If it spots it when it's 3, it will send the alert. If it spots it when it's 4, it will send the alert. If it spots it when it's 5, it will send the alert. But when it's 6, it will no longer send the alert. It will wait for it to recycle again. Do you understand it? So I'm going to program this now because I want to buy. I'll just click on this. It will write out the name of it, click buy, set it again. It will set me, alert has been set for volatility 10 index. I'll click OK. That is done for this. Now, the purpose of this alert is to help me not to monitor, just be looking at this thing before. That's what we do. We'll just be looking at it to wait for it to show first phase, numbers of candle 1 to 0. But now we've added a confirmation. This is where the system will help to confirm if it's actually on a bullish move. It will confirm it if the trend has actually changed to a first phase. So we have 2 confirmation. It will now send the alert. So instead of you to be watching this thing now, you just program it. Click on this based on what you saw in the higher time frame. Please don't confuse yourself. And even a different trader, listen, this is where it gets confusing. A different trader from anywhere that lays his hand on this app, that is a good trader that knows how to do his analysis, he can as well do his own analysis for a bearish move. If the price is going to drop, he can as well click on this. The system will respond to it because it's what he clicked that the system is going to monitor. So the system is still going to monitor when there is a bearish move showing what? A confirmation here, and it's on the first phase. It will not notify the person. So it's based on what you're seeing, so you're analyzing. But the way we are taking this is what I'm using a higher time frame to check for a bullish move. Because I know it was a bullish move, I had to click this because I want to buy alongside with it. Simple as ABCD. So immediately I do this, it's going to be saved on my file, and this app will be monitoring it. So how do I check it if it's actually there? I need to click this, go to where is it called? I go to this, click on history. You'll be able to say that's the only trade I have programmed for today. Do you understand it? This is the only trade I have programmed for the system to check because I want to use a sniper entry to actually buy it. So immediately those confirmations are made, you just go and confirm it. You see bullish confirm, numbers of candle will not exceed 6. Then you take your trade. Simple as ABCD. So this notification comes with the device and it comes with SMS. So any which way, if you are abroad, you'll be able to get the notification. If you're in Nigeria, you will still get the SMS and the notification. Please let me know if you guys understand what I just did now. Very, very important. Very, very important. Let me know if you understand exactly what I just did. If you do not understand, no shame. I beg, no shame. Because if you lose now, your money lose, not my own. So no shame, please. And the system is not 100%. So they are prone to losses most times, but it's not going to be loss, all true. You understand? So speak up now so that I'll know where your challenge is, so that I'll be able to tackle it. So ask your question. Feel very free. No challenge. Feel very free to ask any question concerning it. I'll break it down. I'm not going anywhere today. Ask your question, please. Very, very important.
Okay, good morning.
Yeah,
My
good morning, sir.
question is the number of candles. I thought is 0, 1, and 2 that we're supposed to look out for. But when you were putting us through now, you said 1 to 6. Has it increased?
Okay. Very good, though. I told you guys confusion go scatter everywhere. That's why I was begging you guys to come for training. Very good. So let's solve that problem. Do you understand? What we have here, we have what? Let's go back to, we have it. Try and understand what we are doing. Look at it. We have what? The smash 100 pips. Look at this smash 100 pips. It's the one that does all the analysis for us. That is where you can check 0, 1 to 2 candle. 0, 1 to 2 candle, which is this. We are now using a sniper entry so that we can get extra trade. Let's say, for instance, if there's scarcity here, you understand? Because it's not the time that this software can analyze and tell us. This one is for professionals. You understand? You can analyze the market and look for opportunities by using this sniper entry. So this sniper entry is different from this one. Do you get it? Please answer me, sir. It's different from this one. This smash 100 will help you do everything and send you alerts to buy and sell. Why this one? You have to work small, do small work, check higher time frame. What higher time frame is saying? Is it buying or selling? Then you now program it so that you can enter immediately when the price starts buying on a lower time frame. Do you understand it? Is it clear now?
It's clear.
There are two different setups. Yeah, there are some persons who can use this one. You know, me, I can use this one. Let's say, for instance, if there's scarcity here, there's no setup, and the setup that are coming, they are not making sense. I'm just hitting stop loss. I can easily come here, do my analysis carefully, small, then program it so that I can enter when the market is about to move on a lower time frame, then take my little profit and move. So this is the first setup I'm showing. The second setup, I've used it last year, very long ago, but I'm still going to show you before we added all these so many things. I'm going to use the forex aspect as an example, and it's still working. You understand it, you know that it's working. You're going to use it. So this one that we just did now, apart from this man that asked, any other question on this now? Any other question, please?
Good morning.
More question, I beg. Go ahead,
Good
sir.
morning.
Yes.
What is the success rate of this software?
For the entire software.
Yes.
Okay. How long have you been with us?
Okay, I'm just being with you people for today because I got your information yesterday on Facebook, and I joined and I chatted.
Okay, see, sir, what I normally do if I get this kind of question, I don't know how to sweet tongue. I don't know how to. It's my product. I know how it works. The only thing I'm going to tell you, be on that Telegram channel. Do you understand?
Okay.
There is general Telegram channel. I normally drop free signal. Even the free signal I drop now is already in profit. Let me show you. Let me show you what my snipers already post. So I don't hype it. I'll just want you to confirm everything yourself. You understand? Let me show you something. The trade that I posted. Where is it now?
The GBP card,
GBP.
right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's on profit. Though I'm trading it with what is it called? Demo account. But it's on profit. It's on profit.
Yes,
It's on profit.
yes, I just want to show this man, confirm something for him. Somebody posted the profit before. I just want to show it because I don't have access to my app now.
I saw it.
No, seeing is believing. Let me see. I don't know where this guy posts this thing now. Maybe he has deleted it or something. He has deleted it. It was on profit. It was having like $8 or so, something. So, sir, we don't hype things here. I believe you know how to trade. You'll be able to do analysis. So this week now,
Yes.
because of you
Yes.
now, I go knock better signal. You understand? Make a map blow your mind. I go knock better signal where I will not run out of the market, because I normally have my target. Probably today, tomorrow, I've gotten my target. I will stop trading. But because of you now, I want to blow your mind. I'll knock better trades, you understand, from Monday to Friday, so that you can confirm it yourself if you actually make money or if the software is okay. Even if you still not understand it, just still be there next week again. We'll still repeat the same process. Do you understand it? So I'm not going to tell you if the software is good or bad. You just need to do your investigation and confirm it yourself, okay? But just follow up what we are doing, yes, because we have a way of taking our trades here. Just follow up. Apart from that, any other question again?
No for now.
Okay, no.
Can we use this for prop firm trading? This software.
Okay. When you say can someone use it for profit training, now where your mind is going to is like you're going to like an automated system. Let me break it down for you. It does not have anything to do with your account. It will only tell you to buy and sell. Then you'll be able to place it on your prop firm or your life account. So everything boils down to what your risk management. There are videos for that, how you'll be able to place it on prop firm. Use it to trade prop firm by using what proper risk management. So just see the app as something that gives you signal, or like a mentor. Those who are mentor when they sell signal, yeah, just sit like that. Somebody that is calling signal for you, buy and sell, buy and sell. That's what this app does. You understand? It's just that you have it to yourself, and you have access to different pairs that you can just program it. The app will tell you either buy or sell. So that's how it is. It has nothing to do with your account. You don't need to host it. You don't do anything. You only need to subscribe. And another thing, if you're a crypto trader, you understand, there's a free platform for crypto where you can have access to the same setup that we have here. So you don't need to pay anything for the crypto. You can use it to experiment, to know how the performance work, while you are more investigating me on the forex and synthetic aspect of the free signal I'm going to be dropping. Is that understood?
Okay, yeah.
All right, let's move on.
Let's move on. $50, right?
More question before we move to the next setup that I want to show you.
You said it's 50.
Since you understand this one, let's move on. Yes, go ahead, sir.
What I'm trying to say
is, what?
In a case like this, we are not that we are newbies in the system, but we are new to the Bekenet system. Do you have a trial version?
No, we don't give trial version, because even if I give you trial version, you will not be serious with it.
Okay.
We don't give. We've tried it before, so we stopped it.
Okay, the subscription is
if your money is involved, if there's a training, you come. If there's everything, the subscription is $50 for forex, $50 for synthetic. Why crypto is free? So we don't give trial version.
Is it for life?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, no problem.
No, it's monthly.
Okay, it's monthly. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say now. Moon is hard these days, and whatever thing that you want to risk.
Another question based on this.
I want to
please, sir, let's continue with the training. Let's continue with the training.
You are echoing. I'm not. Please mute your mic and talk. You are hearing yourself at the same time.
They say you should continue with the train, so I've stopped talking.
Okay. All right. No problem. Another person, any other question based on that, our training? Any other question, please? Before we move to the next one, let's know that this pattern is clear. Before we move to the key level aspect, how you'll be able to take trade at key level.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
okay. Where do we put our stop loss?
The same pattern now.
The same pattern.
Yes, using the inbuilt chart.
Then this
take profit.
they want to seize candles. It's not clear.
It's not clear.
Yes. Please go back to the.
Okay. What? All right. Where is it again? Once it load, I will explain it for you. Okay. Let me look for one. As you can see, try and understand this thing.
You're saying after, okay.
Try and understand. Sure, you are seeing 3 candles here.
Yes.
And the system has confirmed it. Yes. The system can show you 1 candle and confirm this is a bearish move. It can show you 2 candles and confirm it a bearish move. Anytime it confirm it from ranges of 1 to 6, that is when you take your trade. Do you understand? Sometimes you can see what? Let's look for another pair. Let's look for another example here. Let me see if I have any that is showing neutral. Sometimes you can get a first phase before we added this one. You can get what? A first phase 1 candle. Without this one now, price might be being on a neutral, retracement. You will not know because there's no system to confirm this trend direction. So this other software now is the final say to this general trend direction. So it be the one to confirm if actually this trend is actually in what? A first phase of a bearish move. This one will just tell you is a bearish move. That's what we have before. But sometimes if you enter, price might be going on a negative side. But this one now helps do that correction. So it helps monitor from 1 to 6 candles, because price this trend direction might be 1 candle, but it's still showing neutral. Might be 2, it's showing neutral, might be 3. So this one now will help correct that error that the system is having. It will monitor it from 1 to 6. After 6, it will give up. It will not do anything again. Do you understand? So even if you see this one and you see what? Confirmation, you are good to go. Do you understand? Sometimes you can see it 1 is showing retracement here, meaning there's no confirmation for this trend direction. Do you understand? Now, as you can see, it's still hold on, let me finish. As you can see, we are seeing 8 here. It's still showing confirmation, but you cannot take this trade now. It's above 6. It's still showing this is a bearish move. It's still dropping on a lower time frame. And the alert system, the alert mechanism can only notify you when the candle is between 1 to 6. That is where you can scan and check if this is confirmed or not before it can alert you. But once it's above it will not do anything again. The same thing with you. You understand? If you're using the sniper entry, you've analyzed that on a higher time frame, this volatility 10x 1 seconds is falling, and you came to this place and you see it 2 candle. Confirm, you can sell. You see 3 candle, confirm, you can sell. The only difference is that if you spot it yourself like that, price must have gone far. But if it's the system that spot it on its own, that give you a signal and confirm it, even if yes, the alert, even if when the system is showing 6, is the 6 that first of all confirmed it before it sent it. 5 before it confirmed it. So it will not skip from 1 to 2 to 3. If 1 confirm, it will send. If 2 confirm, it will send. If 3 confirm, it will send. It can only pick the first one. But as it is now, price has already confirmed. The software has already confirmed, but we're already in 8. We might be even in 7 when it confirmed it. So you cannot take it. But the alert will notify you immediately you are having a confirmation, either from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6. Do you understand it?
Yes, it's clear. Okay.
Yeah, because this helps.
Another thing is, what does turning point mean? So sometimes I see turning point.
No, we do not put turning points here on
this one.
okay. No. People will abuse it very well. And turning points is not everybody that knows how to use it. You understand? Not everybody, because turning point is like a sharp move. It's on the trend direction there, but I'm not going to talk about it. It's on the 1 hour trend direction. As you can see, we're having something here. What is this? Okay, this is the advanced key level. As you can see, there is signal dropping now that I should buy this. Yes, this is for smash 100 pips. This is smash 100 pips. Why this one has not given me an alert? Because I programmed it.
Sorry. The smash 100
Do you understand
pips
now?
The smash 100 pips and the sniper alerts, is it different?
They are different thing now.
Okay.
They are different
smash
software.
100
This one.
Okay. Smash
See,
100
listen,
gives
Smash
a lot
100.
different, and Sniper gives a lot different. Is that what it is?
Yes, this. Yes, you have to understand this thing very well. Smash 100 will do all the whole analysis for you and tell you when to buy and when to sell. But before you can use this sniper entry, you must go to a higher time frame and be able to identify if it's a bullish move or a bearish move. Now that one day your hands. So if you say higher time frame is in a bearish move, you come here, click on sell, it will notify you. If you say it's in a bullish move, come here, click on it, it will notify you. But this sniper, what they call smash 100, you don't need to do any analysis. It will tell you buy or sell just the way it did it now. And I got my alert and I can take my buy. Then those of you that are waiting for this, because the lower time frame now 30 minutes is actually retracing. You understand? Those of you who on this pair now will be waiting for it to give them signal before they can join, or they can still join this one, depending on how you want to take your trade. Do you understand? Please don't confuse it. Smash 100 is a different, it's doing your own word entirely. It's doing your own word. You understand? Why this sniper entry? You are the one to look for a higher time frame, or you might do your own analysis yourself, but you just wanted a confirmation on a lower time frame when to enter on exactly. Then you can use this. Do you understand? I'm only giving you my own setup, the way I used to trade it. That's what I'm giving. You can devise your own means, develop your own setup, how you be able to enter into the market. Then you can use this sniper entry to take the trade. So you can do your analysis to sell. You will come here, the system will say respond. Now you press sell, it will do analysis for sell and send to you. If you press buy, it will do analysis for buy and send to you. But this smash 100 will do everything for you. You don't need to do anything. This one won't be here. So is that understood?
Yes, understood.
Fine.
Thank you.
Let's move on, or let's get more quick. Please ask questions so that we'll be able to solve everything once. Not later you'll be sending me WhatsApp message. I'm not going to like that, because I will not have that time to explain anything to you.
Hello, good morning.
Go ahead now.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Okay,
yes.
when the high time frame is bullish,
yes,
and the lower time frame is bearish, can you take advantage of that lower time frame?
To begin to say,
yes.
One thing you need to understand,
let's say for scalping.
Yes, let me explain something to you. Forex market, be it forex, be it synthetic, price does not just move like this. That's why you see price goes up, come down, goes up, comes down. True or false?
True.
Okay. Now, your higher time frame might be buying. You see a full candle like this, might be buying. All of a sudden, you see a spike. This spike that is happening on a lower time frame. On a lower time frame, you might be seeing sell. So there's opportunity for you on a lower time frame. But the higher time frame still showing bullish move. But because of this spike here, it has developed what a smaller chunks of a bearish move on a lower time frame, being 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So somebody can still take a trade on it, but you're actually trading against the overall trend. That's why I said this sniper entry is very, very, very complicated, but you need to be a pro before you can. There are some persons who can just focus on this now and start selling. Price will still move in their direction without knowing that the higher time frame has a particular direction it's getting to. So that's where your skills comes in. Do you understand? Some persons can take this now as an advantage and be selling because they've confirmed. 30 minutes can still give you 4 to 5 candles dropping. But the overall trend direction, if the market want to change to the overall trend direction, it might take you out. So that's why your skills come in. So what I do normally, I go to a higher time frame. Is what the higher time frame is doing, that's what I'll do on a lower time frame.
Okay.
So if the higher time frame is buying, be it 4 hours, be it daily, if it's buying, I will program.
All right. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
We lost him.
Hello, we can't hear you.
Yes, we can hear him.
Boss, we need to hear you. You can hear us.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah, we
Yes, we
can
can
hear
Yes,
hear
you
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 can
now.
now,
hear
but
you.
we lost you. We lost you some seconds ago.
Okay. Mr. Kelvin, hope you understand what I just said now.
No, please say it again.
I
Because your
understand
voice was very
a
low.
little. Sorry, my battery was very low, so I didn't join when I was supposed to join.
Please, who is speaking? You mute your mic, please. Any person want to speak so that we can move to the next setup, which is key level. How you can use it on key level is very simple. The
Please,
normal strategy is very simple.
if one is going to trade against the trend in the higher time frame, is there a particular number of pips if you decide to use the sniper entry? Is there a particular number of pips one can take? That is, if it
Yes,
says
it's a bad
1
habit.
to 6.
Listen, it's a bad habit. I cannot open my mouth and tell you that because I don't do it. I don't trade against the trend. It's just like you're having a falling knife and you're asking me, should I catch the knife? No, I cannot do that because anything can happen. I only trade alongside with the trend. So if you want to do it, it's at your own risk. You understand? I cannot tell you to trade against the trend. So the strategy I'm giving to you now, check the higher time frame. If it's bullish or bearish, you trade alongside with it by using the sniper entry. Simple as ABCD. Do you understand me?
All right.
So, but if you still want to do it, you can still experiment it. They say experience is the best teacher. You experiment it and know if it's something you can continue or not. You understand? But for me, I don't trade against the trend. Apart from that, any other question again? Any other question before I'll take you to the key level aspects? How you'll be able to take advantage of it. Okay. If no other question, I think let's move to the second setup. The second set. I believe this one is over clear. Okay, somebody want to ask. Ask your question. Ask your question now. I'm begging you guys to ask question, please. Feel free, feel free. Nobody they see your face. Ask question. Okay, now let's move to the second setup. Let's move to the second setup. Let's move to the second setup. I'm going to be using what? Okay, go ahead.
Hello, I want to ask a question.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, and please, my phone was off when we were doing the sniper entry presentation. Please, can you go back for it, please?
Okay. Well, the only thing that means there is no question. The only thing I need to tell you, just wait. I'm recording this now. I'm recording this. Once I'm done, I'll recap and just touch it. Then I'll still send the video on the platform. But once I'm done with everything, I'll go back and just touch it. Okay?
Okay. Oh, no problem.
Is that
Thank you.
understood?
Yes, sir.
I'll touch it. All right. So I just want to take question concerning what we just did now. So if no question, let's move to the next pattern of how to take a trade. Do you understand? That's where I'm going to be using the forest aspect because that's where we have it. Most of you have been using it, setting these alert notifications, but you people don't know the use of it. You understand? So let's do that. Just give me. All right, guys. Sorry for that. Okay. Let's go to the where is it again? Where is it again? Okay, here. Sets, alerts, set key level. Now I'm going to explain this thing on the chart. What I normally do before we added all these automated system, what I normally do before, I'll set this key level. I'll just click it. Once I click it, normally I focus on good. Let me show you guys how you'll be able to use this sniper entry on this. Once it comes up, I'll show you and explain it on the chart too, how it works. The network is slow. Okay, now let me take for instance, because I only focus on weekly key level. All these things we're going to add it, but I'm going to explain it within the forest. We already have a robot system in the forest. I focus on weekly key level. So what I do normally, I'll just select good. I select good. What I'm telling the system to do now, anytime the price touch any level, it will notify me. Once it notify me that price has touched R1 or R2, let me go to the chart so that you see it. Once it has notified me, I've already programmed it. Now, I don't need to be looking at the chart all the time. Let's go to the chart, look at good, so that I'll explain it for you, how I normally use it, combining it with the sniper entry, how you'll be able to take it and you understand it clearly and know what you're doing. You understand? So what I do now, let me go to good. I've programmed it already to help me monitor. The only thing I need to do now is to insert daily weekly key level and spot it. Now, for instance, if I wanted to trade a key level, let me use this candle for instance. If price has reacted, this red one you're seeing here, this one that I just touched now, for me to program that in, that means price has reacted to this level. Immediately price reacts to this key level, there are two things involved, because price has already been dropping, meaning that all the whole time frame they are in a bearish move, and there's every possibility when price get to a level, it can bounce it off, it can move up a little bit. What I do, I'll just go to my lower time frame, 30 minutes. I'll be waiting for where I will see a bullish move, first candle, bullish move, first candle of a first phase. I'll just do it like that. So immediately I get that, you see me, I'll start buying from this level. You only use that when price react to a certain key level. Do you understand? If it reacts to this one, that means price might drop. You do the opposite. I don't know if you guys understand me. The second setup of how to use a sniper entry. Let's say, for instance, if price has been reacting to this level, let's use this as an example. Price reacted to this level. I will get a notification, or you might just be checking and be looking for any pair that react to a key level. So once price react to a key level, there are two things involved. It's either it will bounce or it break. But me, I always take the bouncing aspect by using a lower time frame. Just say, all I need to do, this is a bearish move. I'll program it in such a way that it's going to bounce, meaning I'm going to buy. All I need to do now is go to my sniper entry. Let me go back. Go to my sniper entry. Where is it again? I'm using Forex now, for example. I'll go to, sorry, I just clicked another thing. Okay, I'll go to my sniper entry and look for good. All I need to do, because price is reacting to a key level now, all I need to do is just program this, or look for it when candle is 1 and a bullish move has confirmed, because currently now, then it was dropping. So I'm looking for a bounce up, a rejection. So I need to come here, program this. Immediately there's a move on a lower time frame, on a bullish move, and first candle there's a confirmation, then you can take the trade. Before I continue, let me hear what you have to say, if you understand exactly what I just did, because it's very simple, but let me know so that before I will move on with more examples. This is the second setup where you can use the sniper entry to take a trade by waiting for price to bounce off a key level. You understand? If it's touching it, you want it to bounce down. If it's on top, you want it to bounce up. Please let me get your response on this. Let me get your response on this thing. Ask your question. Ask your question, please.
Hello, Morrison. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? I can't hear you. Hello.
Please answer your question, please. Ask your question based on this key level aspects. Don't let it confuse you. If you don't understand it, you can leave it. But if you have a clue, you want to ask question, ask. Let me break it down a little bit. No question, or you guys are not hearing me? Or is it clear?
For the candlestick, wait, please, what time frame are we looking at? If we are looking at the bounce off, and for the candlestick, is it a full candle or a rejection candle? That is there a candlestick pattern we are looking at that level where it bounces off?
Okay, now let's go to the charts now. Let's go to the charts. It's very simple. What I look out for. Let's go there. Let it load. My trading style is very simple. It's not complex. A, B, C, D, I'm out. You understand? But you can see add your own confirmation to it. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Once this line come out now, what is holding it now? My network is poor today. Okay, now look at it. Let me use a plain line. You see this line here? Immediately price touch this line. I don't know if it's 1 hour. I don't know if it's 2 hours. Immediately price. I don't know if it's 30 minutes. I don't know if it's 15 minutes. Once price touch, all I need to, I'll get an alert notification, or if I'm monitoring it, immediately price touch this line or kiss it at all, I'll go and set my alerts on the lower time frame because I want to buy, because there's always a possibility that once price get to a key level, it can bounce it off. So I want to take advantage of that little bounce that it can bounce off for that lower time frame. So I don't care if it's 15 minutes because price is price. 30 minutes, 15 minutes is just a candle, just to break down what is happening on that particular time frame. So if prices hit a level at a particular time, is there on that particular time, the only thing that you're going to see it as a chunk on different time frames. So once price hits this level, I don't care if it's 5 minutes you're looking at, if it's 10 minutes, so long price has touched this level, I can take an advantage of taking what's it called, the opposite direction. Even if price breaks it, I will not take that trade because the signal must notify me when it's buying before I can enter. You understand? So it can only be buying before I can enter it, before I can take the trade. So even if it breaks, the signal will not notify me because it is still selling. So there is not going to be an alert for me to take that trade. It can only trigger me if there's going to be a bounce. That is when I can take that trade. Is that understood? It can only trigger me. So I don't care if price is at the top. Sorry, if you are seeing it in 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 20 minutes time. What I just want, once price touch this 2266, alert me. Once price touch this price here, this price here, once price hit this level 2266.78, notify me. That's support 2. That I can go to my 30 minutes time frame and program a buy for me. The same thing, once price hits this level, I can program a sell this price there. So I don't care if you're looking at 15 minutes, 30 minutes. What I'm after is this price. Do you understand it? What I am after is this price. Once price kiss it, because whenever price kiss a key level, there's always a drop. There's always a drop before it can gather momentum and break it or continue falling. So that's the strategy I used to take this kind of a trade. Is that understood, or you guys are not hearing me? Is it understood?
So what? The strategy is for scalpers.
Is it understood? It's not for scalping. There are sometimes, if you look at some of my trade before, like last year, last 2 years, that's what I use. I can, from there, I'll begin to sell, enter the next day, the other day, and continue like that, because price has touched a key level and price could not break a key level. So if price will not break any key level, it will move ahead now. If price bounces off, look at this one now. If I've used that strategy here, I will buy it the next day now, because I'm entering in it. Look at it. Price rejected this level. This is a candle here. Price rejected it. It started moving up the next day. So it's not a scalping. You can use it to hold a trade. Even from now, this is Monday. This is Friday. This is Thursday. Price rejected this level. So with this strategy, I'm telling you now, price can hit a level here. As it hits a level, you program the buy, you take opposite, because it was not able to break it. And look at it, price moved up again. So it's not a scalping. This is not a scalping. You're using rejection from a key level. You're using rejection. The same thing with this one here. You are seeing this candle here. The same thing with this. Once price hits this level, immediately it starts selling on a lower time frame. You will notify me. You see, I'll drag it down. I used to use it when I was hustling before last year, hustling back to back. But now I just rely on the smash 100 pips. Anytime it come, I take my trade quietly. Just say, but now we have a sniper entry. I need to show you what I have used so far. You understand? This is very easy for you guys now, because then we did not have this thing. We used to do it manually, plot everything on our chart, wait and wait and wait. But now we have everything visible here. We have an alert now that can notify you when price touch a key level. So it's pretty simple. The only thing I'm looking at for, had it been on Thursday, I traded it, I focused on it. Immediately price hits this level. Look at it, hit this price, 2299.86. All I need to do is program the system on a lower time frame for a buy. So immediately the lower time frame is buying, you see it moving up just like that. That's the way I do it. I don't trade the one that will break. I only trade bounce. And how do? We scale down to a lower time frame. Wait for it when it's trying to move. Then you take a trade. Simple as ABCD. Is that understood? Is down that you can see add your own confirmation or do your experiment on it and confirm what I am saying. You understand? Any other question? Yes.
Hello, sir.
Ask your question. Yeah, I'm hearing you, sir.
Hello?
I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Go ahead now.
Hello?
Wow. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir. Please, any other question, please. Ask question. If you're quiet like this, I'll take it as if you guys understand everything. You understand everything. So ask your question. The second strategy is that once price reacts to a key level, once it reacts to a key level, that's why we did that alert. You get an alert notification that price has touched this level. So the next thing for me is to scale down and take a trade that is going to bounce off. Once I get that notification, I can start buying or selling. It's very simple. We don't use confirmation. We don't use all those. You can do that if you understand it properly. But what I do is what I'm telling you now. So ask your question based on it. If you still don't understand, we're almost done with the class. So if you don't understand, okay, I'll take it as if you guys understand it. The same thing.
I understand.
Let me digress a bit.
I'm sure when I watch the video,
you understand
I'll get
it. Okay,
yes.
very fine. Any other person again?
So we get more information when we watch the video.
Okay. Don't send me WhatsApp message. You can drop it on the general Telegram channel there. Don't send me message. I have on that project that I'm working on. I may not have that time to be creating videos for that. So that's the purpose of this training. So anything you don't understand, you tell me now. Yes, go ahead.
Hello, man. Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Can you hear me? Yes, I have a little issue as regards to a group. I don't really know why the Telegram they bite me from dropping message to a group. So I've been trying to resolve it. They are not paying attention to that. So I don't really
They
know what
banned
they
you
said.
from. They banned you.
That
Who
I
banned you?
cannot drop message. I can chat to an individual, but in a group, they cannot allow me to drop any message. Or maybe
Which
What is
group?
happening now?
Which group? Which group?
anything group in Telegram.
Okay. I
You
know they
understand?
work for Telegram now.
Yes,
It's not
I'm just
you
trying
chat
to
with them.
tell
I was
you,
thinking
because
it's
you said somebody should not send you message on this. I'm just trying to write my own issue in case of necessity.
okay. They No, the reason why I say you shouldn't send me, I know they hash like that, but this period I'm very, very busy. Because you might send it now, you say this guy is rude, he will not answer you. So that's why I'm taking my time to do all my explanation here. Do you
It's okay.
understand? You might
Yeah.
send me message on that and you are trading. I know will answer you. I'm busy doing other stuff. I'm not just a forex trader. I manage over 6 to 7 apps. Apart from this trading software that you're saying, I'm a software developer. I have a company that builds software. So I manage a lot of apps, a lot of busy schedule. You understand? But just that forex is my thing. That's why
Okay.
you're seeing me here, teaching you
No
guys
problem.
on how it works. I know it better than everybody on my
No problem. No
team.
problem. Thank you.
You understand? That's why you're seeing me here. So that's it. It's not as if I will not answer you, but I will weigh the two. Which one is all right?
It's okay.
All right. More
Thank you.
question, please. More question. Before I will recap the first strategy and the second one, then we'll call it a day. Okay. No question. Let's recap. Let's recap the first setup and the second setup. It's very simple. My system is not hard. Just ABCD, we're done. So let's recap. The first setup is for you. Please mute your mic. Let me go back. Before 9 o'clock, we should be done. Let me go back, please. My network is slow. My network is very, very slow. Shit. All right, guys. My network is slow, so probably we'll still hold another one more training again, so that I'll make sure you guys understand everything. But at least this one, you guys should go and watch it. Watch it. If you are in the sniper group, you can drop any message there. If you look at it, I'll be able to drop a voice note on it because my network is slow now. My app is not opening, as you can see, so that I will not waste your time. You understand? So probably tomorrow again, we'll have this same training again, so that we'll break it down, so that you understand. You guys understand me?
Yeah.
So network
Thank you.
is slow. So now what you need to do, this video, go and watch it, so that tomorrow you have questions to ask me. Do you understand? Is
Yes,
it clear
sir.
for everyone?
Yes, sir.
It's
Hello, is
clear.
it clear for everyone? All right.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes,
let's
sir.
do it like that, so that we'll not waste our time. So I'll upload this video on the platform. Watch it. If you have questions, this time tomorrow.